Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a very unique style of paneer dish today, and that's Paneer Chingari. This is a must try recipe if you are a paneer lover, and for this we are using 200 grams of paneer, which will be divided into two halves. One half we'll be adding it to the mixer grinder, and the other half we'll be using it a little later. So let's add this 100 grams of paneer to the mixer, and I'm also using half a cup of milk. So first we'll add half of this milk, grind the paneer along with the milk, and we'll add in the other half after we grind this a bit. So in total I used half a cup and 100 grams of paneer to make this mixture. It should be like this. You can add more milk or more water to this if you want it a bit thinner. So in a pan, let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin. 1 finely chopped green chilli. This you can add according to your taste. And about half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. You can add up to 1 tablespoon. We'll fry this for a few seconds. Don't let this burn, otherwise it will give a very bitter taste to the gravy. And I've used 1 finely chopped onion for this. We'll fry the onion along with the cumin and the kasuri methi till it becomes translucent. Then add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. This is a very delicious recipe, and it has a very different flavor. And for this I've used about a 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. So we'll add these spices to this and fry it for a few seconds, and then add in the ground paneer and milk mixture. Mix it really well and cook it till the gravy thickens a bit. It hardly takes about 2 minutes for it to thicken and form a gravy like this. It's a thick gravy. You can adjust the consistency of this gravy according to your requirement. You can add more water to this and cook it, and when this cools down it thickens. So while serving, add water and adjust it to the right consistency. Now for the paneer part, the other half, take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add about 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, a half or quarter chopped onion, finely chopped onion, and about 1 tablespoon of chopped capsicum. So we'll fry this for a few seconds, and then we'll add in the spices. It's 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric 1/4, not even 1/4, you can say 1/8. Salt is about 1/8 teaspoon, red chili 1/4, and coriander about half a teaspoon, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, and cumin 1/4 teaspoon. I'll give you the list of these ingredients in the description box, so you can check out the quantities and the ingredients there. So make sure you don't burn these spices. So just add about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of water. If this masala burns, then the paneer will just not taste good. So now once we fry this, let's add in the paneer pieces. You can cut the paneer pieces either in triangles like this, or cubes, or rectangles, and we'll coat these paneer pieces with this masala. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos, and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment if you try this recipe. So you can see the paneer pieces are coated really well with this masala. And this the best part about this dish is the serving. So let's add this gravy to a serving dish. Just before serving, you can adjust the consistency of the gravy and then add it. So you can see it has a beautiful color and it has a wonderful flavor also. Once you pour the base gravy, let's add these attractive paneer pieces on top of this. This is really easy to make. It hardly takes about 10 minutes to put this gravy together. You can do this really last minute even when you have guests. Do try this recipe and let me know if you liked it.